Place the tank gently on the bowl and hold it steady while you tighten the bolts to compress the gasket evenly. Start by setting the rubber gasket squarely over the flush valve outlet and lower the tank straight down so the gasket seats without folding. Thread both tank bolts through their holes and hand start the nuts with flat washers on the underside of the bowl so the bolts remain vertical. Tighten each nut a little at a time in alternating turns, 3 to 5 quarter turns per side, so the tank lowers evenly and the gasket compresses uniformly. Use a socket or wrench only enough to snug the nuts. Stop when you feel firm resistance and the tank rests level on the bowl to avoid cracking porcelain. Keep steady downward pressure on the tank with one hand, while you tighten the nuts with the other to prevent the tank from shifting and to ensure the gasket stays centered. After installation, run a series of 4 or 5 flushes and inspect the joint for any seepage. Then retighten each nut evenly if you see a small drip. The most common mistake is over-tightening one side first, which tilts the tank and pinches the gasket, so always alternate tightening and stop at a snug feel to prevent distortion. Another issue is using a damaged or incorrectly sized gasket, which will never seal properly. Replace it with the correct model and check that the gasket sits flat and fully covers the outlet before lowering the tank. A third concern is loose bolts or missing washers, which allow movement and leaks over time. Secure bolts with flat washers and string or hold the bolt head while tightening the nut to keep alignment and check again after a day of use. On bighomeprojects.com, we connect homeowners with local contractors and provide tools to compare work and communicate project needs. We also host an active discussion community where our members share real-world tips, trade experiences, and installation advice related to gasket, compression, and other home projects.